What is VoIP? VoIP stands for Voice over Internet Protocol, which basically means that we can make and receive calls over the internet. Traditional phone systems would allow you to make calls out over a physical ISDN or PSTN line, and this allowed incoming and outgoing calls, but additional functionality or features weren't really available with these traditional analog phone systems. VoIP replaces these physical lines with virtual lines that we call SIP trunks and allows us to make calls over the internet. VoIP is hugely popular today, and it's really for good reason. Replacing these ISDN and PSTN physical lines also replaces your monthly line rental, which can be quite expensive and really offers little value. VoIP is also very reliable and robust, and it offers different failover options that just aren't available with a traditional analog phone system. A traditional phone system will allow you to make and receive calls, but a VoIP phone system will add huge benefits and features such as remote working capabilities, intelligent call routing, call reporting, and so much more. So if you are a business that relies on your phone system for communication, if you think you might be paying too much for line rental, or if you just need a little more from your phone system, then VoIP is probably a good option for you. If you're unsure about the suitability of VoIP for your business, here at SenSys Voice we will run a VoIP suitability test for you and ensure that that system will be robust and hassle-free. For more information on VoIP, you can call us today to speak to a member of our team, and we will be happy to help.